What grants are available for air source heat pumps in the UK? Firstly, there is the Boiler Upgrade Scheme, which offers £5,000 towards the cost of a new air source heat pump for homeowners in England and Wales. For Scottish homeowners and tenants of private sector landlords, there is the Home Energy Scotland Scheme. It provides potential heat pump funding, among other energy efficiency initiatives, with the Scottish Government covering all expenditure in most cases. And finally, for Welsh households, there is the Nest Scheme, which offers grants towards air source heat pumps as part of a larger bundle of energy efficiency improvements provided through the scheme. To learn more about these grants and to see if you could qualify for them, read our article on greenmatch.co.uk. The link is in the comments.